edition. Yan po, Kumong Bol Anon, 17 edition. At ako, hindi po natutuwa. Nandito po kami sa Tagbilaran City. Maraming salamat po kay Attorney Florizil Color ng Philippine Maritime Institute, ang PMI Boxing Promotions for making this happen. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and for the warm welcome sa ating boxing program. At bagong lahat, dapat siguro sabihin din natin na itong programa ay iaalay po natin sa memory ng ating isang matalik na kaibigan, ang nasirang Chino Trinidad. Alam po natin, si Chino ay gumawa ng paraan na mapapanood po natin itong boxing programa sa Tap Sports, sa cable systems natin, na Signal at saka Sky, at mapapanood po natin sa Plus TV app. Without Chino, hindi po mangyayari itong television coverage ng boxing promotion. Kaya maraming salamat, Chino Trinidad. We know you're up there. We miss you. We know you are with our Lord. At maraming salamat. We miss you. Itong programa, this is for you, Chino Trinidad. Okay, pag-usapan natin ng ating mga sakupaan ngayong araw na ito. Ngayong gabi, we have 4 very exciting fights for you this evening. First off, mapapanood po natin ang maganda laban ito. Si Tagakanaw versus Pael. Mapapansin po natin si Tagakanaw. Wala po siyang talo. 8 wins with 7 knockouts. At si Pael naman, veterano po siya, no? Third pro back in 2011. 33 years old siya. Already with 39 fights under his belt. Magandang laban niya because he's got a youth versus experience. Susunod na laban, ito po, Philippine Female Junior Flyweight Championship, a fight between Flores and Pini. Pareha po silang walang talo, kanya battle of undefeated fighters. At ang pangatlong laban natin, this is gonna be a 10-rounder for the WBO Oriental Bantamweight Championship. Ang lalaban po Jerwin Asilo, pinagmamalaki ng Bohol, from Alicia Bohol, at ang record po niya, unblemished, 8 wins, wala pong talo yan, with 3 knockouts. Ang makakanapin niya from Thailand, si Suratyam Ong. Note that ang record is 19-5-1. Kalahin niyo ba, si Surat is only 17 years old, but in 2022, he fought 11 times. In 2023, he fought 9 times. Busy itong fighter na ito. Kanya mapapalaban, malabang si Asilo. Let's find out whether Asilo has what it takes to bring down this time. At sa ating main event, ito na, si Valiente Vitor ng Tagbilaran City. He is the defending WBO Oriental Super Featherweight Champion. At ang mga kalaban po niya, ako mababa naman ang salan. Ang unang natin sa niya, Vivian. And he is from China by way of Kazakhstan. Ang ating bisita from China has won 9 in a row. Panuunin po natin ito. Handa na ba kayo? Nandara din kami. Takbakan na!